order, but the lady was super satisfied that I double checked the order, gave me another $3 tip. She was like, I would have been mad if they didn't. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Lovely to have you. Today we're doing a quick dinner dash. It's about 5:15 right now. We got a quick order.
Take the
1
next
mile
left onto 37th
or
Street.
1.8 miles for $6.50. Ordinarily I don't like to go below $7, as you guys know if you've watched any of my previous videos, but I thought to myself, 1.8 miles, not terribly far. It'll keep me in my general
in 800
location.
feet, turn right onto 2nd
it's
Avenue.
a pretty decent start. We currently have 2 bars, not 3. So not a terribly busy time right now, but let's get started into it. I'll
Take
keep
the
you guys
next right onto
updated as
2nd
soon as
Avenue,
I
then
pick up
turn left
that
onto
order.
35th Street.
Alright guys, I got the customer's order. When I went up to the cashier, the customer requested I confirm 2 burritos. Unfortunately, only 1 was made. So when the customer requests you confirm multiple items, definitely
Make
do
a
that.
slight left
Fortunately,
onto
we
33rd
caught
Street.
that today. And yeah, I had to wait a little bit longer, but we're getting the customer her order right now. She was actually quite happy that I caught it and didn't mind that much that the order was going to be late. So a good start, a good catch. Definitely don't want to go back.
Continue
and,
on 33rd Street for half a
get
mile.
more items from the restaurant after you complete the delivery. So do be vigilant when there are multiple items that are the same, essentially. So yeah, heading over to the customer's house now. Hopefully she's satisfied enough to give an extra little tip, but I'll let you know when that happens. Hey guys, ordered complete. We got $6.50 on Doordash's side, which was the original order, but the lady was super satisfied that I double checked the order, gave me another $3 tip. She was like, I would have been mad if they didn't give me the 2 burritos I ordered. So super happy about that. Definitely keep an eye on the customer's instructions and you will get tips and earn much more money that way.